Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Have an OSM editor account if you plan to edit, and a stable HTTP client. Once done, test a read endpoint immediately. Fetch map data for a small bbox to validate connectivity. Make sure to use polite query parameters like limited bbox and proper headers to avoid throttling. This first actionable step proves access and network settings work, and it prevents wasted effort on complex calls later. Now you perform the more complex middle steps. Craft targeted read requests using bbox to limit data size, then parse nodes, ways, and relations. For edits, create a change set, upload well-formed OSM XML, and close the change set. This sequence ensures atomicity and prevents partial edits. Also validate tags and geometry locally to avoid server-side rejects. Once your requests succeed, iterate with small batches and backup responses so you can roll back mistakes if necessary. Finish by closing any open change sets and performing a final read to confirm your edits appear as expected. This verification step proves both write success and consistency. If you need to automate, add exponential backoff and local retry logic to handle transient errors. If things go wrong, inspect HTTP status codes, authentication tokens, and request headers. These tell you why a call failed. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.